guys, Connect groups are happening this week, so make sure that you connect with yours. And if you're not in a group so far, then just head to our website and you can get in touch with us to get signed up to a group. So during August, Kidstream is going to be happening every Sunday morning at 10 a.m. So make sure that you're joining us for some fun, some games and some pies in the faces. But remember, it's not going to be happening on Fridays anymore at 6:30. So Sundays at 10 a.m. is where you can come and join us for fun for Kidstream. So remember guys, you can join us at Excel Church in person for our evening short services from 6 p.m. and 7:15 p.m. So you can book these every evening from 8 p.m. for the following week. So it's a week-to-week basis, guys, and you can book in online for these at Church Suite, or you can head to excelchurch.org.uk/Sundays. So if you want to join us, spaces are limited, but you can join us each week, and just be aware we will be reviewing this week on week, so we'll keep you updated with any updates on that. So that's all for Excel News, guys. If you need any more information, just head to our website or get us on social media. Have a great week, guys.